Achalasia cardia is a primary esophageal motility disorder characterized by the failure of lower esophageal sphincter to relax or open up, resulting in stagnation of food in the lower esophagus area. This is due to selective loss of postganglionic inhibitory neurons, with postganglionic cholinergic neurons being spared, resulting in unopposed stimulatory action, causing the increased stimulation of the lower esophageal sphincter. It is diagnosed by barium swallow, or nowadays modified barium swallow, where you'll be able to see the characteristic bird beak appearance. Treatment options include injection of Botox into lower esophageal sphincter, peroral endoscopic myotomy, Heller's cardiomyotomy, endoscopic balloon dilatation or pneumatic dilatation. If none of these are possible, medical treatment is given with nitrates and calcium channel blockers.